apologize if I'm mispronouncing that, but I think I'm Romento?
It's Romito,
Romito,
but it's
Romito.
close enough.
Thank you,
I've
sir.
been called a lot worse. Mr. Mayor and council members, appreciate the opportunity to talk to you. I have two things I'd like to mention today. Earlier tonight, there was some discussion about the general plan and modifications to the general plan. As I understand it, the planning people would like to make any transaction on state land acquisition be classified as a minor change versus a major change. The difference there is that the major changes go to a vote of the council. The minor changes can simply be pushed through. And when we talk about 1,620 or 6,700 acres of acquisition, I don't view that as a minor change to this community. Second thing I would like to talk about is the air park situation. There appears to be a group calling themselves Peoria ambassadors, Peoria grassroots ambassadors, and they've put forth the truth in the community about the proposed Peoria Air Park. Their first point was that the council has voted for 6 feasibility studies. I don't know that feasibility is the issue as much as need or necessity is the issue, and whether the people of Peoria want you to spend $500,000 on feasibility studies or $30 to $43 million on land acquisition. I'll add that I'm the president of the Blackstone Homeowners Association. A number of our residents have aircraft. I walk the neighborhood every day, and not one of our aircraft owners has expressed an interest in having another air park. Lastly, this isn't my first rodeo. I was the president of one of the largest maintenance, repair, and overhaul aircraft operators in the world. So I'm fairly familiar with what it takes to run an airport. A lot of these questions have not been answered yet, and I'm not sure that they're going to be answered in a feasibility study. One thing in my 35 years in aerospace is that I was always completely transparent and open with not only my customers, but also my employees. I hope that you will do the same with the voters of the city of Peoria. And lastly, I respect the work that the Cauffman and Associates did, but I've never seen an expert witness not support what they were paid to support. And on that basis, I would like to suggest that whoever you hire, if you hire people for a feasibility study, is that they be objective with you and with the people of this community. Thank you for your time.
Thank you for your comments, sir.